I'm going to show you how I fill in my brows. I want to start out by showing you how I prep the brush I use to fill in the brows. To prep my brush, I'm grabbing the Schwarzkopf Got2b Glued, applying that to both sides of my brush, and then I'm pinching the bristles till they're sharp. Then I'm going to let it dry like this, like so. Next, I'm grabbing the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade for my brows. Today, I'm using the shade Granite, and then I'm scooping a little bit up and then closing the container so it doesn't dry out, pinching the bristles one more time, and then you can draw on hair-like strokes like so. Then I'm using an e.l.f. small smudge brush and concealer to clean up the bottom of the brows. To begin, I'm brushing my brow hairs downwards, and then I'm drawing in some faux hair-like strokes following the natural direction of the hair growth, turning my brush as needed. Here I'm just drawing some lines on the front portion, creating a clean, sharp line across the top of the brow. Next, I'm brushing them upwards and then combing across the top, like so. Just kind of following the natural direction that my brows grow. And then I'm going to focus on this bottom edge and then filling in areas that are a little bit sparser, creating a sharp line on the bottom. Again, following the natural direction of the hair growth. Here in the front, I'm using a little bit of a lighter hand. I like this area to be a little bit sparser since this area of my brow doesn't grow in as dense as the rest. And then keeping the brush upright in the front because my brow hairs grow upwards here. And I'm slowly making my way towards the tail. And then I'm slowly turning the brush to follow the natural curve of the tail. You can really place this however you'd like though, so I'm kind of filling in the sparser areas in the middle here. And then I'm just kind of filling in sparser areas and then cleaning up the tail to make a point. Next, I'm just brushing through one more time just to see if there's any areas that could use a little bit more product. I do like a little bit of skin showing through. Next, I'm cleaning up the bottom edge with an e.l.f. small smudge brush and a little bit of concealer, doing the same thing on the top. And then I'm adding a little bit of the Got2b Glued gel and then cleaning them up with the spoolie once again to kind of keep them in place. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.